जी वालेकुम अस्सलाम गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? हाउ आर यू एवरीवन? वेलकम टू अनदर लाइव सेशन। I'm fine. How are you? I use IC markets. I don't know about any best international broker. You can Google search and check their reviews. Walaikum assalam. When there is a trade, I will announce it. Yasir Khan Saab, when there is a trade available, I will put in the chat and say it as well. Walaikum Assalam, everyone. I'm fine. How are you? I don't know what NFP news will do to the market. I have no idea about that. Salman Ahmed Saab, Walaikum Assalam. Thank you, all rounder videos, Sahab. I'm selling Euro odd. I'm selling Euro odd. I'm selling Euro odd. I am selling Euro odd. Selling Euro odd. This is an intraday trade. This is a long trade. Only take the trade if you agree with my analysis and my idea. If it plays up during the live session, I will give further details after the lives. If it goes into later on after the live session, then you have to manage it yourself. I speak English because a lot of people don't understand Urdu, but all the Urdu speakers understand English. I have no idea why, if IC markets in work is working in Pakistan or not. You have to check their website and speak to them. I have just sold Euro AUD. You can write in any language you want. I mean, Urdu or English definitely, because we don't understand any other language in the chat. Today is first Friday of the month, guys. Markets might be slow at this time in London session because there is heavy news in New York session. Be careful of the news. Don't lose your money. Save your money. Yesterday in London session, we had a very profitable gold trade. I have put the stop loss in the chat, guys. You can see the stop loss and TP there. I have no idea about NFP news, but it will be positive or negative. I don't do news trading anyway. Um, Mohammed, the use of Slim Sub Euro USD is in a downtrend at the moment, overall in downtrend, and at the moment it's in a sideways movement. I think because of NFP today, all the dollar pairs will be in the sideways movement until the New York session NFP news. Thank you, Mohammed Zaid sir. On Friday, I take very little risk because if my week is very good, if I'm in good profits for the last 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, then on Friday I don't want to you know lose all my profits. So I use a small lot sizes on Friday and take very little risk. For example, this Euro AUD trade, I will monitor it for a while, and if it doesn't go into my direction, then I probably will close it early, in a small profit or in a small loss. I will not wait for it to hit the stop loss, or take profit. Uh, I mean, take profit is fine if it moves to my direction. I mean, that's fine because then I can um move the stop loss to B, secure it, and then see after what happens, secure some profits or and leave a little bit, maybe things like that. But if it starts going towards stop loss, then I will manage my risk and cut short my losses, especially because it's Friday and I don't want to spoil my profitable week. So yeah, that's one lesson for you. Gold is also in a sideways movement at the moment. Actually, it's in that box. You might be seeing that box. Is since many days it is just inside that box. Yesterday it came out of that box for a little bit, and we grabbed 10 plus pips from there. So it's NFP and it's Friday, London session. So we may not see any move in gold, but let's see. Yes, today is very heavy news. It's NFP today, non-farm payroll. I have moved stop loss for Euro AUD down to 1.66852. I have put that in chat as well. Um, it's a very small stop loss now. Um, okay, I'm closing Euro EAD, Euro AUD. I have closed Euro AUD trade on a small loss. Um, so I have managed my risk on a Friday. I don't want any big losses today and spoil my profitable week. I'm in huge profits in the week, so that that's how I manage my risk and cut short my losses. I have initially I moved the stop loss to a small stop loss, and then I even because I the trade is not moving to my direction, so I even didn't wait for that small loss to get hit. I have cut short my losses, so very very small and loss. Walaikum assalam. So that's how I manage my risk and cut my losses. And that's the key to success in forex trading. More than profits, you will learn from my risk management and how I cut short my losses in these live streams. This is very very important. If you master how to cut your losses and um, manage your risk, you can. That's when your success will start in forex. So I saw a setup on Euro AUD. Um, the probability was, sort of trading is a game of probability. I thought it will go further down, but at the moment it looks like it's going back up. So I have cut short my losses, very very small loss. बहुत छोटा सा लॉस पे मैंने बंद कर दिया, रिस्क को मैनेज किया है. ये है सबसे बड़ा सबक लेसन आपके लिए. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट लेसन Profitable trades are no lesson. These are the lessons when I manage my risk and cut short my losses. You must have seen yesterday two people were in huge loss in gold, and they were asking. People always ask me, they are stuck in huge losses. They don't use stop losses. They don't manage your risk. I don't. I not only use a stop loss, but I very rarely wait for my trade to hit the stop loss. I close my trades long before they hit the stop loss most of the times, like I did today. So yesterday they were asking, "What shall we do now?" What can I say? What can you do now? You haven't used any losses. You are in huge losses, and you are stuck now. So people always ask me, and two people yesterday in this chat were also asking, "What can we do?" I said, "I don't know. What can you do?" So profitable trades, I again and again keep on repeating this because this is the biggest lesson you can learn from me. Profitable trades are not the lesson; they are just nice trades to make some profits. Lessons are will always be when I cut short my losses and um, manage my risk. So now you can, if you can see either my chart or I don't know if you have opened your chart. If I hadn't closed my trade before, the second stop loss that I gave you, it would have hit that now. So even bigger loss, and it might go further up and go towards that other stop loss that I gave before, the big one. But I have already managed my risk, closed on a very very small loss, and my lot size today was small as well because of Friday, as I said, because on Fridays I take very little risk. I don't want to spoil all my profits of the week on Friday. When I was new, and a lot of new traders and inexperienced traders, they do that. They are from Monday to Thursday, they are in good profits, and then Friday they give back all the profits to the market. You know, Lalach, greed. They want to earn more. As you can see, gold is in a sideways movement, and it is in that box that I have put there. It's on a 30-minute chart. Unless gold breaks this box upwards or downwards. Overall, the trend is down. I will not take any trade. Inside that box, I will not take any trade. I do not set any targets for week or month. I just go trade by trade, you know. Every trade is different. Whatever profit I can make from a trade, I make. You know, I don't set any targets because if you set targets, then you try to achieve them, and you either do over trading or uh, you force your trades. You get into too many trades, you know, to achieve your target. So I don't set any targets. My strategy is um, I have started my account for whatever money I had, and I lost a lot of money initially as well when I was new. But whatever money you have, you start your account with, and then you weekly, if your week is in profit, you weekly take out money. I withdraw half of, for example, if you make $100 profits in the week, when the week ends, take out $50 and keep the $50 in the account to grow it. Because if you don't do not grow your account cannot go big, and you cannot change your lot size. You cannot make your lot sizes big, and hence you cannot make more profits. And if you make $500 a week, take out 250 or $300 and keep the others in the account, so that your account grow. That's what I do. So that's how you can grow $1,000 account to 2,000 to 10,000, to 50,000. But so, so people do two types of mistakes. Either they do not, they start with whatever money they have, and then they set a target. For example, if they start with $500 or $1,000, they say to themselves that okay, we will not withdraw any money until the account reaches $10,000 or $20,000. That's a very big mistake. So they grow their account to, for example, I have seen that. I have done that myself as well initially when I was new. So maybe they have taken the account to 5,000, 7,000, and then one mistake and all that account is washed. And then the other people do the other kind of mistake. They start with the account with some money, some dollars, and they withdraw all their profits, and after even 5 years their account is still the same. If you don't grow your account, how can you earn more dollars, more money from Forex? Because you cannot increase your lot size if your account is not growing. So that's what I do. I withdraw half my profits and keep half in the account. So I grow my account this way. And in the meantime, I withdraw money as well. Whew. if I make targets for the week or month, then what I will do is I will try to catch more pips. I will be greedy, to achieve my target. And sometimes then the trade will be in good profit. It will, maybe it is on 10 pips profit or 20 pips profit, but I want to achieve my target. So I want to get 50 pips from that trade. And what will happen is I will lose those 10 pips or 20 pips as well. Market will move back, go back and hit my B stop or normal stop loss. So I do not put any targets. I just want my uh, Euro AUD might reverse down again and go to towards the direction I was thinking. But I mean, whatever it is, it is. I cannot see Euro AUD reversing down. I don't know. Maybe on your chart it's reversing down. But even if it reverses down, I will at the moment I will not enter that again. But I have closed it on a small loss, and it's Friday as well, so I will not get into Euro AUD again myself. But you can decide for yourself. Euro USD or Euro AUD, Imran Mubarak Saab. GBP JPY is in a downtrend, and it looks like it will keep on going down at the moment. Yes, as I said, GBP is in a downtrend, and it looks like it will keep on going down. Uh, if if gold breaks this range, then um, it can go to 1925, and then there is a support there, and then further down maybe. Um, Layering, I don't do layering. People normally, if the trade keeps on going in loss, they keep on entering more positions. That's what they call layering, but I think it's a bad idea. You should add positions when your trade is going into profit. if you want to. Entering more positions into a losing trade is a bad idea, you know. In general, it's a bad idea, but especially in intraday trades or swing trading, you if you want to add more position, you should add in the um, winning trade, not in a losing trade. But in scalping, if you want to add a position, I cannot say uh, after exact pips. It's just you have to watch the move and you have to just decide if you think that the trade can reverse from here. You just sometimes I add a position, but very rarely. But in intraday or swing trades, I do not enter any. And I do not do layering or enter any positions into a losing trade because then you keep on adding into a losing trade, and end up in a huge loss. Good morning, Satpal Singh Saab. Funded account and leverage are two different things. I mean, they both are different things. So, leverage is when you can, with small money, you can trade big. I mean, that's what I can say about leverage. But leverage is can be dangerous as well if you are not experienced and profitable in trading. Then leverage can be dangerous as well. So if you are new, I will suggest take a small leverage, 1 to 50 or 1 to 100 maybe. But if you are profitable, then you can choose a higher leverage, 1 to 500. Um, then you can put bigger lot sizes if your leverage is big, but then you can lose, your money will still be the same. You can lose it very quickly. Funded account is different. You if you don't, if you are profitable, uh, but you don't have that much money, then you can try funded account. You have to pay a fees and take whatever amount of challenge you want to take, and then you pass two phases on a demo account with them. If you pass both the phases, then they will give you a live account where you can trade and earn money, and they return that fees as well. But if you fail, you cannot pass the challenge phase. They do not return the fees, but you can try again and again. What do you mean by sell SZK Fury Sob? सेल का क्या मतलब है जी? क्या मतलब? I know what sell means, but what do you mean by sell? Sell what? High leverage means you can put bigger lot sizes and open more positions, but your own money will remain the same, So higher leverage is dangerous as well if you don't use it properly and you are not profitable consistently. Mhm. Gold is not moving at all. Definitely, it's Friday, and then it's NFP, and later on, and it's morning London session. So I think everything will move in New York session now. So uh, all right, guys, I think we can call it a day now because breakout at some stage breakout will happen, but when we don't know because it's one Friday London session is quiet anyway, and then there is heavy news later on. So I think the moves will be in New York sessions now. Um, it doesn't look like moving at all. No, I will not conduct New York session because it's just news, and heavy news. So I don't trade news anyway, Office Saab. So, uh, Walaikum Assalam. So we can, I think, end the week on a successful week. We had a lot of profitable trades this week. Some intraday trades, some gold trades. So hopefully, inshallah, we will start next week now. And you guys, it happens sometimes. We have to um, sometimes if there is no clean trades available, then it is what it is. We cannot take a trade if there is no trade available. So happy weekend, guys, and I'll see you on Monday, inshallah. Uh, if I suddenly make a plan to do New York session, I will put it in the Telegram, but I don't think so. That's why Telegram group is there. Sometimes I just quickly decide something. So yeah. All right, guys, look after yourself. I'll see you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye.